How to create and sell products on Shopify. Selling products online has become one of the most accessible ways to start a business. Shopify is one of the world's leading e-commerce platforms, allowing entrepreneurs, creators, and businesses to build online stores without advanced technical skills. Whether you want to sell handmade crafts, digital products, clothing, beauty items, or dropshipping products, Shopify provides tools to launch and grow an online business efficiently. This guide explains step by step how to create and sell products on Shopify, from setting up your store to marketing and managing orders. What is Shopify? Shopify is an e-commerce platform that helps users create online stores and sell products through websites, social media, marketplaces, and even physical retail locations. It offers customizable store themes, payment processing, inventory management, shipping tools, and marketing features in one system. Many businesses prefer Shopify because it is beginner-friendly, secure, and scalable. A small startup can begin with a simple store and later expand into a large global brand using the same platform. Step 1. Choose what products to sell. Before creating your Shopify store, you need to decide what you want to sell. Your product choice plays a major role in your success. Popular product categories. Some profitable product categories include *fashion and clothing, *beauty and skincare, *electronics accessories, *home decor, *fitness products, *handmade crafts, *digital downloads, *print-on-demand products. Tips for choosing products. 1. Solve a problem. Products that make life easier often sell better. 2. Focus on a niche instead of selling everything. Target a specific audience. For example, instead of fitness products, sell yoga accessories for beginners. 3. Research demand. Use tools like Google Trends, TikTok Trends, Amazon bestsellers, Etsy popular products. 4. Check competition. High competition means demand exists, but you need a unique angle such as better branding or pricing. Step 2. Create a Shopify account. To start selling, you must create an account on Shopify. How to sign up. 1. Visit Shopify's website. 2. Click Start Free Trial. 3. Enter your email address. 4. Create a password. 5. Choose your store name. Shopify will ask a few questions about your business, such as whether you are already selling products or just starting. After registration, you will enter the Shopify dashboard, which is the control center for your store. Step 3. Set up your online store. Now you need to customize your store so customers can browse and purchase products. Choose a theme. A theme controls your store's design and layout. Shopify offers *free themes, *premium paid themes.
Good themes should be *mobile friendly, *fast loading, *easy to navigate, *professional looking. Popular Shopify themes include
Add important pages such as *about us, asterisk contact page, asterisk privacy policy, asterisk shipping policy, asterisk refund policy. These pages build customer trust. Step 4. Add products to Shopify. Products are the heart of your store. Shopify makes it simple to add and manage them. How to add products in the dashboard. 1. Go to Products. 2. Click Add Product. You will fill in product information including product title. Create clear and searchable titles. Example: asterisk wireless Bluetooth earbuds, asterisk organic lavender face cream. Product description. Descriptions should explain asterisk features, asterisk benefits, asterisk materials, asterisk size or dimensions, asterisk usage instructions. Good descriptions focus on customer benefits rather than just technical details. Product images. High-quality images increase sales significantly. Tips: asterisk use bright lighting, asterisk show multiple angles, asterisk include lifestyle photos, asterisk use white backgrounds for clean presentation. Pricing. Set asterisk selling price, asterisk compare a price, asterisk cost per item. Ensure your pricing covers product cost, asterisk shipping, asterisk marketing, asterisk profit margin. Inventory. Track stock levels so you know when items are running low. Variants. Variants allow options such as asterisk size, asterisk color, asterisk material. Example: asterisk t-shirt in small, medium, and large sizes. Step 5. Set up payments to receive money from customers. Configure payment methods. Shopify Payments. Shopify Payments is the platform's built-in payment processor. It allows you to accept asterisk credit cards, asterisk debit cards, asterisk Apple Pay, asterisk Google Pay. Benefits: asterisk easy setup, asterisk fast payouts, asterisk lower transaction fees. Other payment methods. You can also integrate asterisk PayPal, asterisk Stripe, asterisk Klarna, asterisk bank transfers. Offering multiple payment options improves customer convenience. Step 6. Configure shipping. Shipping setup determines how products reach customers. Shipping options. You can offer asterisk free shipping, asterisk flat rate shipping, asterisk real-time carrier rates. Many stores use free shipping because customers prefer transparent pricing. Shipping zones. Create zones based on asterisk countries, asterisk regions, asterisk cities. Print shipping labels. Shopify allows users to buy and print shipping labels directly from the dashboard. Step 7. Set up domain name. A domain name is your store's website address. Step 8. Launch your store. Before launching, review everything carefully. Checklist before launch, asterisk test checkout process, asterisk check mobile responsiveness, asterisk verify product prices, asterisk review shipping settings, asterisk confirm payment setup, asterisk proofread all text. When ready, 1. Remove password protection. 2. Publish the store. Your store is now live for customers worldwide. Step 9. Market your products. Launching a store alone does not guarantee sales. Marketing is essential. Social media marketing. Promote products on asterisk Instagram, asterisk TikTok, asterisk Facebook, asterisk Pinterest. Short-form videos often perform well for e-commerce brands. Content ideas. Asterisk product demonstrations. Asterisk customer reviews. Asterisk behind-the-scenes videos. Asterisk tutorials. Asterisk unboxing clips. Influencer marketing. Partner with influencers who already have your target audience. Step 10. Manage orders and customer service. Once customers begin purchasing, you must manage operations efficiently. Order fulfillment. Order fulfillment includes asterisk packing, asterisk shipping, asterisk tracking deliveries. Fast shipping improves customer satisfaction. Step 11. Analyze store performance. Shopify includes analytics, tools to monitor business growth, important metrics. Step 12. Scale your Shopify business. As your store grows, you can expand operations, add more products, introduce complementary items related to your niche. Conclusion: creating and selling products on Shopify is one of the most practical ways to start an online business today. The platform simplifies store creation, product management, payments, and shipping, making it accessible even for beginners. Success on Shopify depends on more than simply launching a store, choosing the right products, building a trustworthy brand, creating strong marketing campaigns, and providing excellent customer service are all essential factors. The process generally involves 1. Choosing a product niche, 2. Creating a Shopify account, 3. Designing your store,